We're just going to look at adding a list box to a spreadsheet here. So just open up a new blank workbook. In one of your sheets, just put in a list, and we're going to call this list vertebrate types or vertebrate classes. So I'll just type that there beside it just so I know what it is I'm doing, and we'll put a list in here. We've got mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, amphibians. That might be it. You can split up mammals into marsupials if you like, mammals with pouches and mammals with placenta. That might be up to you. We can name that. We can call that vertebrate classes. I'll just put vert class for short. Now, if you come back to the spreadsheet you want, you can name that this spreadsheet. We'll call this vertebrate list, vertebrate species we'll call it. And up here we can start the list. We'll just put a species here, call this class or vertebrate class. Might want to add some other characteristics like number of limbs, habitat, so whether you might want to put just land or water or something more specific than that. So there's you might have other characteristics you might want to put in there. And in here, so we could have, to add, well here in the vertebrate class, this is where we want the list. So if you go into the data tab up here, I might just have to widen this spreadsheet, this ribbon a little bit. Data tab, data validation, just try that again. You need to go into data validation. Just trying to remember the name. Just go in here. Vert class, okay. That's it, equals vert class. And now, if we put in frog, you could obviously put, be more specific, say tree frog, or even more specific because frog isn't probably even a species name. And we can put the frog down there as amphibian. Number of limbs, 2. What happened to habitat? There's habitat. We can put water and land, or you might want to just put pond, freshwater if you like. Freshwater and land, it's another option. Freshwater. And so on like that. So kangaroo, again that's not a specific species, I know. We'll copy this down here, and you've got all the lists there that you can, we want a mammal. Again, you can split mammals up into marsupials and non-marsupials if you like, those with a pouch and those with a placenta. Number of limbs, 4, dry land, and so on. And you can build up your database like that.